Alright, see the next. The next Merlin Atty and Usain Bolt, them here. You see them? Test them, test the angle down. Crazy. Yeah, them we don't know when some superstar them here. We don't know. The man had the run of them. Yeah, man, kick off like one gunshot. Watch a girl, man, to kick off like one gunshot, like lightning. Watch it. That one they coming like a lightning ball. Crack them! You see them? Yeah, man, the next Usain Bolt and the next Merlin Atty. We don't know, you know, see how they. How that? A Merlin Atty that? Whoa! Poor Antonio run of them. We don't know what go on, you know. You see all the one them fast like with the one in here? Whoa! Watch all the one here leg mentally. Hey! Up top! Run them out, them general. Run them out. Cause no fit enough. What's that? What you mean? Crazy out. See them? And the young runner them in a Portland, Port Antonio them. You watch how that one you kick off like a gunshot. My God. Bro! I don't know nothing that. Watch you know. That I don't know nothing. Watch that one. That one you kick off like when thunder bust. Bro! Me not see him I went on. Watch our next girl here now. To the world. Veteran TV. Crazy. Merlin Atty. Hattie. Watch all the youth. The youth are fast like, whoa! Africa come from? Yeah, man, me love that. Watch the next youth, I know, a kick off. Alright, see fastest one, you know. Watch that one, you know. Why you move in a slow motion, you know. The man I run pan them to a top. Crazy. Yeah, man, big up all athletics. Big up everyone who involved in something in a Portland, cause we are everything here. Crazy, you know, daddy.